As you have seen, I did sit underneath my dryer. And I'm hoping that my hair is completely dried. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this out and show you the results of this perm rod set. Okay. I had to get my bag to drop these perm rods in because I don't like having double work. So as I take it out, I'm going to go ahead and so you can see what this looks like. I'm going to take out the first row and turn around and let you see. I just popped one, but these are really old, so I don't have an issue with throwing it in the trash when it pops. Okay, I'm going to let you see the back, and then I'm going to speed this up as I take out the rest. I don't necessarily say that I like it, but the results are exact, I guess, what I expected. And so, yeah. I know that I could fluff it out some. I could take it, and I just may do that. I'm just going to separate them. Okay. You can tell me what you think I should have done differently. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just separating them into two. And hopefully I'll get results that I like better. This, I think, is a bit too much curls for me. But this is what I have, guys. This is what I have. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my followers and my subscribers. And I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He has been so good to me. Yes. It's falling nicely. It is. It's falling nicely. Tonight I like it better than I liked it this morning.